creating the difference. TruCut sanding pads are purpose-built for bowling balls, giving you predictable surface changes that match the grit printed on each pad. The wide spread of grits, from very coarse to very fine, makes this variety pack versatile enough to handle deep resurfacing, routine maintenance, and final finishing on any bowling ball in your bag. Because these pads are designed for both dry and wet use, they are easy to integrate into your existing cleaning routine at home or at the lanes. The abrasive material holds up well over multiple uses, delivering a consistent cut that helps reduce lane shine and keeps ball reaction more reliable over time. By letting you fine-tune coverstock texture, these pads can help bowlers of any skill level dial in a more controllable and repeatable ball motion that translates to better scoring potential. Backed by a bowling-focused brand that actively supports the sport, this set feels thoughtfully engineered for real league and tournament play rather than generic shop use.